Why use functions? Why write separate functions at all? So there a question arises that why we want to use these functions. So why write these separate functions at all? Why not squeeze the entire logic into one function main? So we can use one function main, that is we are using in every program, but why we are using different functions? So there must be some reasons for this. So there are two reasons, that are following reasons. Reason A: writing function avoids rewriting the same code over and over. So this is first reason, that writing function will avoid rewriting the same code over and over. Suppose you have a section of code in your program that calculates area of triangle. So suppose we have a section in our code, we want to calculate area of triangle. So suppose we have that. If later in the program you want to calculate the area of a different triangle, so later in the program you are willing to calculate area of a different triangle, you will not like it if you are required to write the same instructions all over again. So you have to write all those instructions again and again. So you will not like it that you are required to write the same instructions all over again. Instead you would prefer to jump to a section of code. So instead you would prefer to jump to a section of code, that is function. Instead you would prefer to jump to a section of code that calculates area and then jumps back to place from where you left off. So that calculates area, so that section is function. So that calculates area and then jumps back to place where you left off, that means jump back to program. Now this section of code is nothing but a function, so this section is a function. Now reason B: using functions it becomes easier to write programs, keep track of what they are doing. So using function it becomes easier to write programs and keep track of what they are doing. If the operation of a program can be divided into separate activities and each activity placed in a different function, then each could be written and checked more or less independently. So using functions become easier to write programs. So it is easy to write a function rather than writing all our instructions again, and keep track of what they are doing. So keeping track is also difficult. If the operation of a program can be divided into separate activities, that means if operation of a program can be divided into separate activities, that means separate functions, and each activity placed in a different function, then and we would keep that activity in a function, different function, then each could be written and checked more or less independently. So each could be written more independently, and it will separate code also. It will separate code also to modular functions, also make program easier to design and understandable. What is moral of the story? Don't try to cram entire logic in one function. So moral of the story, that means this reason, two reasons they are saying, or what we can say, they are indicating towards that. Moral of story is don't try to cram entire logic in one function, that is main function. Don't try to cram, that means include the entire logic in one function. It is very bad style of programming. So it is a bad style of programming. Instead, break a program into small units and write functions for each of these isolated subdivisions. So instead, break program into small units, that is small pieces, and write functions for each isolated subdivision. That means isolated subdivisions are functions, and we are breaking that program into small pieces into isolated subdivisions, and thus separating the code and making it easier for programmer to code or understand that code.